Nakakatuwa at nakaka-excite because 30 years in the business, in any business, it's already a long time.
Oo.
3 decades na yon, and I don't know where to start. Thanking everyone for all the support, all these years, for the 30 years in the business.
Yes.
And I'm still looking forward for more years to come.
At what age ka nag-start?
9 years old.
9 years old.
I was discovered in Six Cebu Pop Music Festival. So,
Okay.
Paglaong to, no?
Paglaong, ay isang paglaong. That was my winning piece. And then, doon na nag-umpisang lahat. Viva got me to do movies with Ate Sharon, do shows, tapos naging Octo Arts family ako, naging GMA family, naging ABC5 family.
Okay.
Now I'm with ABS-CBN. I'm really thankful kasi lahat sila naging parte ng buhay ko. And never nila akong napabayaan. Until now, I still have good communications with them. I still guest naman in GMA because of Kuya Germs. So wala akong naging problema pagdating sa relationships sa mga naging nakatrabaho.